Fort Reyes to the left. Petaluma, if you want to run into the fire, it's only 9 miles. Ha! See, that's not... Ooh, that's a strong, smoky smell. See, I was sitting in the library in Novato and just smelling that burn smell in the library, and it's very annoying. But it doesn't look like I'll be able to escape it out here. Please check your smoke detector. Yeah. That's real, smoke detector in this, huh? Smoke detectors are going nuts around here. Barron County Fire Department. The Barron County really extends out. Oh, this heat just picked up. It would be a really hot day today if it wasn't for all this smoke. It'd be a really hot day. Look, you know, that's one advantage of the smoke, is it helps with dealing with that nasty sun. That sun would be killing this camera. I would be burning up, cursing that sun. It's just, there's benefits to the haze, and then there's annoyances. Not sure where I am. My blue dot definitely has lost me. Just gotta see if I can reorient myself for the Point Reyes. So hazy, so smoky. It's just a big forest fire, and they're saying there's a forest fire, or there's a fire not far from Los Angeles as well. Got a car coming up behind me. Could be a cop. Oh, there's lights on top of that vehicle. Not sure what it was. Fresh eggs, pasture raised by local. Fresh eggs. Alright, so it's very hazy around here. Very hazy. Very hazy indeed. Lots of haze. I wonder where you could go to escape the haze. I was really hoping that I would escape it going this way, but I'm mistaken. If this haze is still going to linger even out here, then I'd expect it to be kind of bad all the way to the library. 5.84 miles, 5.88 miles. They got some markers. Oh, I should have pulled in. Let this guy get past me. Oh, I could have pulled in there. Alright, well, the next one I'll have to be real vigilant about, because I got this guy who wants to pass me up now. Not on the. There's definitely not going to be any pullouts on this turn. Oh, he came up on me kind of fast, but it's kind of slow, and I was just like, I don't know, like how soon I should have done the pullout thing. The pullouts kind of happen quickly too. I think that said 30, and I'm going 40. So, just want to be cautious. When they got to put guardrails up, you know, it can be kind of bad. Oh, Jesus. I don't really want to slow down on the downhill. Oh. Okay, I'm going 50. I got quite a drop here. Ooh. I'm not sure. Oh, I want to take it easy. Not sure what to think of this. Okay, hitting the corners a little hard. Hitting them a little hard, real hazy still. Hitting these corners really hard. Riding my brake. 45, I'm going 50. You suggest 45. Kind of feel just a slight pressure in my ears from that drop. 35 on this up here. So it's going to be kind of a wicked curve to the right and to the left. Oh man, putting some stress on the car. All right. Oh, yeah. All right. So Point Reyes station is 6 miles still. That's quite a ways. Quite a ways. Nicasio Valley Road is coming up. Oh man, I'm still dropping. Yeah, 45. I'm going 40. Okay, so end the 45-mile limit, and now we're in the 55. I'm feeling the heat pick up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's definitely heating up. My camera might overheat. Oh no. The camera might overheat. It would have overheated if it wasn't for all this smoke. Okay. I don't know how to keep it. Just want to roll down windows, I suppose. Let all this smoky air in. I kind of like the smell of the smoky air. Yeah, I'll let them pass me. Alright, so that guy passed me. No hard feelings. Point Reyes in like maybe 5 miles. $1,000 for littering. I guess I'm crossing a bridge here, a land bridge. Yeah, just a lot of vegetation that's ready to burn down in a forest, in a fire. And there's no sign of rain for weeks. Yellow, ready for burning. It's really good for the environment to have these fires, but it's not good for civilization. Your daily routine could get disrupted by a fire. I haven't seen any homes. I really haven't seen many or any homes around this area. Yeah, I can't escape the smoke at all. It's just as bad here as it is in Novato. And I don't know how I could ask, how I could find out, you know, because it would have been nice to like get some updates on places so I could find out what the smoke is like to help me decide. I definitely did not want to go back south. That really was not an option. East or west or north. I chose west and it's not helping. I can't really, it's hard for me to say this is beautiful because it's really, it's just a kind of a wasteland. Okay, I'm at risk of having stuff fall on my car here, as the sign suggested. There's a lot of interesting features. I think I'm following a river. Okay, gonna be riding the brake here. At some point, I don't know how hard it's not suggesting a slower speed. Just keep my speed. Be careful of any bicyclers. They had 40 here. Looks like you could turn out into that spot, possibly to spend the night. Although I can just see it being a cop magnet. Okay, 40, I'm going 45. San Anselmo. Yeah, that's familiar. Okay, no. Whoa, a stop! Oh my god, I was like in disbelief. Now, do I wanna, which way do I want to go? Do I want to take a right on Petilimus? Oh man, somebody's coming up behind me real quick, I think. Point Reyes. I think I just want to go straight, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm pretty sure I want to go straight. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go straight. I'm just gonna go straight and hope for the best. Something bridge. Oh my god. Oh, there's a car. No, he's probably like saying, oh, where are you going? That's not the right way. Oh no, it's so hard to tell. I'm gonna need some kind of a reference. Either to pull off to the side and figure it all out. This is confusing. I'm really putting in the miles today. Oh no. Where? It wasn't exactly clear that I needed to take any kind of a right. Okay. Yeah, it just... Oh. See, I'm not Petula. You know, I think I did need to take that right. I think I see the intersection now. I think it's clear. It's become clear. Because it said something about bridge. Now I see Platform Bridge Road. And it's looking like I really needed to take that right. Okay. Point Reyes, Platulamanama. That was Platulamanama back there. So let me restart. Okay, I made a mistake on my turn. I needed to make that Petalama turn. So, oh! I'm gonna need to make this turn around. Oh, is a car coming? Oh no! Okay, alright. Oh, god damn it! Somebody's really coming up behind me. Oh man, this is a busy road. God damn it, out in the middle of nowhere. Just what I don't need. Okay, so I think the Petalamanama is on the taking a left. And it's kind of a ways down. Yep, alright. I think this is a key intersection. Patamalama. Point Reyes Station, taking a lefting it. Yeah, that's definitely it. I made a wrong turn. Yeah. Going. Okay. Alright, so now I think I know where I'm at. There's going to be quite a few curves ahead. Quite a few bicyclers around. So that's going to be a risk. Yeah, making wrong turns is no fun. 25 here, I'm going 35. And that building has to put an arrow. Alright, 25 is suggested on this turn. That sounds pretty reasonable. Alright, okay, Black Mountain Ranch. Some kind of I got a scale selling things. Alright, no cars behind me. I'm nearing 40 miles an hour. Got my iPad off. Be ready to turn it back on when I get into that city. This library is like 2 or 3 miles away from the main city. It's a really strange spot, but I've been in some remote libraries in the past. It's just how things work. So I'm out in the countryside, not too far from the Pacific, and it doesn't really feel like the temperature has dropped considerably as I approach the ocean area. Ideally, I'd like to bicycle to the ocean and then take off. I want to see the ocean from here. I'm sure it's no big deal. It's going to be all undeveloped. But it's just, oh, there's some bicyclers. Where the hell do they think they're going? What's so exciting about bicycling out this way? It feels like such a wasteland. There's a few more trees. It looks a little bit better. Black Mountain Ranch extends way out to here. That's a big ranch. I know where else there's a lot of black in that fire area. Black and flames like hell. I'd really like to see it, the smoke and the fire and the black, but I'm not that enthused. They got curfews and all that crap. I don't want to deal with that. Go out there just so I have to get curfews handed to me. Trying to sleep in my car and have a curfew. What are they talking about? Like you can't even drive outside? They set up curfews. That's so ridiculous. It's like there's so much that's burnt up, but yeah, people did flee for their lives. So there's a lot of unsecured places that probably have no power. Okay, at some point I gotta be hitting this city. Is this all protected area or something? Yeah, those bicyclers are really out in the middle of nowhere. What the hell are they doing bicycling in this smoky haze? That seems counterproductive to me. Bicycling and just breathing in all that smoke. It's too much to handle. It doesn't make sense to me to bicycle in it. I just want to take it easy. It'd be a little harder to catch your breath, and then it just gets more and more difficult as your lungs get filled up with that smoke. It's like I've smoked a pack of cigarettes over the past couple of days. Although my throat seems okay, these are the tiny particles of smoke that are getting deep in my lungs from all the gases and whatever else. Insulation, man-made products. Point Reyes, High Surf, Marshall Talames, San Francisco. Okay, I'm pretty sure I want to take a left, but I'm not exactly sure. Okay, private property. So there's going to be a lot of private property people who are going to be paranoid about their stuff. Point Reyes, and I'm not sure if I'm exactly going the right way. It seems like taking a left would be my best option. And it looks like the city is picking up in it, yeah, in human activity. Okay, I'm just going to assume that I should be looking for my turn, but I don't have the name of the road. A Street? I take a left on A Street? What's that road? Mesa? I take a left on A Street, and they're not all labeled. I don't see. Oh no. Is that A Street? That says B Street. Did I just... Okay, either I passed A Street or it's up here now. And, you know, I think I passed it, and there's the sign is like broken or something. That's just wonderful. It's probably not this, but I'm gonna take a look anyway. There's a sheriff. Oh great, oh great. Oh, C Street. So I wanna turn around here because I did not see that sign for A Street. That's so frustrating. Okay, this is like a public safety police station, so it was not clear with A Street. It started out as Mesa, and then No Street, and then B Street. So, yeah, that's just wonderful. I really appreciate it. And then it looks like it just forces you to take a left when you go on the end of A Street. It seems a little clearer out here, actually. The air is cooler. Ocean air. Oh, no, 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 no. What is this? C Street. It's calling it Shoreline. Shoreline. I'm pretty sure it's also A Street, too. God damn it. God damn it, this is no good. Point Reyes book. So A Street, maybe, no, it keeps saying Shoreline. So this is unclear. Yeah, it's really unclear. Yeah, I want to take a right. It's not quite clear. It's not. Oh, that is one though, right there. So, okay, and then a right on Sir Francis. Okay, this might be one. And then another right on Sir Francis. Another right on Sir Francis. There's quite a few people out and about. Another right on Sir Francis. Oh, I guess I could have gone down B Street. Another right on Sir Francis. Sir Francis, a right. To Tamales Bay State Park, no jumping, blah blah. Another right on Sir Francis. Another right on Sir Francis. Not clear where that road was. Road may flood. Okay, there is a slight curve. Still quite smoky and hazy. A right on Sir Francis. A right on Sir Francis. This is curving too much. This is definitely curving too much. You gotta give me that turn, like right now. Otherwise, this is not the way. Oh no. Yeah, if this is not, nope. Oh no, I missed my turn. I missed my turn, I'm sure of it. Is that all glass? I don't want to turn into that. Sir Francis, yeah, this is not it. This is definitely not it. Once again, I'm making a wrong turn, and this is no good. I want to turn around because this is not it. This is not it. This is just not the way. It just doesn't make sense on the map. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to stop this again.